So did you know that most shower heads are manufactured in California? So they have a water saver inside. So oftentimes if your shower is not flowing a lot, that's probably why. So I'm going to show you how to take it apart and take that little rubber stopper out. So you're just going to unscrew it. Luckily this one unscrews very easily. So you're gonna unscrew it, and then actually there is some stuff in there. Let's see what that is. So I use tweezers or like a little knife, but you're just gonna pop this guy right out. In apartment living, I just save it, you know, because you want to put it back, but that should fix the pressure problem. And then what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to take this tape right here. So I took the excess off, but you want to put new tape around it so there's no leaks, but you just wrap it around and do it pretty tight. And that will create a good seal. And then we just put this back on. You want to go gentle. I don't know why it's not. Stop it. I don't know why. So I have screwed it back on. And now the water pressure is way better. And then I checked the top for leaks. If there was any leaks, you would put more of the white tape, but it's good to go. I hope this helps.